along with some principal officers of the Senate, to observe our proceedings. And they are Senator Michael Opeyemi Bamidele, the Senate leader. We have Senator Mohammed Tahir Munguno, the Chief Whip. We have Senator Osita, unprecedented in the history of Nigerian Parliament, to have as guests two very powerful people representing the largest party in Africa, APC, to have in his midst the current chairman of the national chairman of APC, seated in this hallowed chamber, along with his immediate predecessor. This has never happened before, so it's my pleasure to welcome our national chairman, Professor Nitedema, and the outgoing chairman of the party, Professor Abdullahi Ganduje, along with the state chairman of APC of Kano State, who is also here with us. These are some of the guests who are here with us to observe our proceedings. Without any waste of time, honorable colleagues, let me read some important messages coming from members of this hallowed chamber. And I start with a letter I received from Honorable Engineer Sagir Aikoki, Deputy Chairman, House Committee on Petroleum Resources, Midstream, and member representing Kano Municipal Federal Constituency of Kano State. And his message to us today reads as follows. He said, I should inform you that, let me just read verbatim what you wrote, notification of defection from the new Nigerian People's Party, NNPP, to the All Progressive Congress, APC. And the message reads as follows. I wish to formally inform you and the entire Honorable House of my decision to resign my membership from the new Nigerian People's Party and to join the All Progressive Congress, APC. I have resolved that aligning with the All Progressive Congress, APC, will better enable me to continue to provide effective representation and to contribute meaningfully to national development. I, therefore, kindly request that this letter be read on the floor of the House and duly reflected in the official records. Please accept, Right Honorable Speaker, the assurances of my highest regards. Signed, Honorable Engineer Sagir Ibrahim Koki. My dear brother and colleague, congratulations for coming to the greatest party in Africa. You have made the right choice, and God will be with you. Please, you can sit down. They'll come together. Yeah, together, yeah.
Order. Ogasa.
Order. Colleagues, from a member that I hold with high esteem, a member that we started this journey in this hallowed chamber together in 2011, a man who has seen it all, a man who has distinguished himself in this great chamber, a man who has contributed to the development of this house in no small way. A man with different colors. Depending on how you look at him, you can write a book on him. Some say he's a controversial person, but I say he's a man who lives on principles, who say he's mine, who call a spade a spade. And that man is no other than my dear brother, Right Honorable Abdul Mumin Jibrin, PhD, member representing Kiru Bebeji Federal Constituency of Kano State, he has a message for us today. And with your kind permission, I'll go ahead and read his message. He said, "Dear Right Honorable Speaker, notification of decampment
Point of
from
order,
the
Mr.
new
Speaker.
Nigerian People's Party NNPP
Mr. Speaker, point of
to
order.
the All Progressive Congress APC."
Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
And his message reads as follows.
Mr. Speaker, point of
I'm
order.
writing to formally.
Information.
Order, please. Leader, order, please.
I'm writing to formally
Information.
inform
You don't break the speaker.
Honorable Speaker
You don't break the
Mr.
speaker while
Speaker, I
speaking.
have an
Order,
information
please.
for the House.
Section 68 subsection
Leader.
1G
You don't break
of
the
the
speaker
Constitution of
while
the Federal
making his
Republic of
speech.
Nigeria and other
Mr.
extant
Speaker,
laws.
point of order.
I, Honorable Abdul
Order
Mumin
9 Rule
Jibril,
4.
representing Kiru Bebeji Federal Constituency, do hereby resign my membership of the NPP to join the APC
Mr. Speaker,
immediately.
point of order.
My decision to exit the NPP has become imperative as a result of division and unresolved internal crisis in the party leadership at the center that has made it difficult, if not impossible, for me to continue discharging my duties and provide my good people of Kiru Bebeji Federal Constituency with the desired representation at the House of Representatives. I sincerely thank the party for giving me the opportunity to serve our great country under its platform. The support I received from the party and the trust and experience I gained during my membership have been invaluable, and I remain deeply grateful to the leadership and members of the party at all levels. As I wish you well in your future endeavors, kindly accept the assurances of my regards. Signed, Honorable Abdul Mumin Jibril. Honorable colleagues, can we appreciate the coming into the great party in Africa, APC, our dear brother, Honorable Abdul Mumin, and Engineer Sagir Aikoki. You are all welcome.
It's a point of order.
Congratulations. Please, can you join us? Makama? To, ga dan uwa, na baka amana. Kware kuwa. To gaskiya ne. I agree. I agree.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Prof. Thank you.
Great leadership.
Yes, thank you.
And great output.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. You can join, you and the national chairman can come and join me on the top. And let me honor you here. Congratulations. Congrats. Wadan buɗa mushi ne. Congratulations. Congrats. Thank you. Su kaɗai ne. Sai principal officer, sai our DSP.
Mr. Speaker, point of order.
Some of you can join here.
Point of order. Point of order, Mr. Speaker, point of order. Very unparliamentary.
Honorable Chinda, you are invited. You are an allegiance. Please come and join us. Join us, please.
Let him just do it.
Honorable, okay? How are you doing? Well done.
Yeah. How are you? Oh, great. Okay. Let me get a notice. Yeah.
Thank you. Excellency, muna godiya. Allah ya saka. Thank you very much. Thank you.
welcome. Welcome home. Welcome home.
Allah take with Kano members? Senate. Okay. That's okay.
Thank you. Well done.
Okay. Jibril, camera. You're welcome. The Senate.
No choice. Well done, sir.
They are snapping. They are snapping. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Excellency. Thank you so much. My mother. Congratulations. Thank you.
How are you?
Chief, Princess.